We all love to sleep after a long day at work or even simply completing schoolwork. I know everybody does. However, today I'm not going to teach you how to get a good night's sleep. Instead, I'm going to show you this internet technique which will pay you over $1,352 while you sleep. All you need is yourself, any gadget you have, and an internet connection, of course. This technique that I'm going to teach you is completely free, so you won't have to worry about paying any fees or making any investments. So stick with me until the ending of this video to understand how to make money using this method. Before I forget, what I'm about to show you is available anywhere in the world, so hold on tight because as we go through this video, I'm going to show you tips and tricks on how to efficiently and easily make money online. There are methods that I'm going to present, and I'll demonstrate to you how to maximize your opportunity in making fat piles of cash with these methods. So stay tuned and watch until the end of this video. Also, never skip forward to some part since you can lose out on essential information that is critical to completing the fresh new online money-making strategy that I'm going to be showing to you today. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now let me ask you, do you already have a PayPal account? If you don't have, you should already go ahead and get one. This is the platform where you can get paid. But don't worry, I'll show you how to have an account if you're a bit unfamiliar with the entire thing. Start with opening their webpage. Just go to paypal.com. And as soon as you're in PayPal's homepage, I want you to click on the button that says Sign Up right here on the upper right portion of the homepage. After doing so, you will then be redirected to this webpage where you have to click on Personal Account. Since we are going to use PayPal for our own personal use, after that, you must write in some relevant information about yourself, such as your mobile number, email address, complete name and password, and just like that, you now have your own PayPal account, ready to go. As I've mentioned before, this is where you get paid. I already receive a lot of payments here in my PayPal because of this premier money-making method, and for sure, you'll be the next one to receive payments that could soar up to higher heights as you receive big sums of money than what I got right now. So without further ado, let's go ahead on the first website. The first website that I want to tell you about is called spyfu.com. Today's first method for a small amount of money, this website will assist others in their own websites or Google Ads, which enables them to gain more traffic. It also discloses the search marketing formula of their competitors in every ad test that they've run for the last 15 years. This means that this tool snoops on other people's success stories in order to incorporate them into the client's success. Hence the name SpyFu, which is a little too creative if you ask me. Complicated, you could perhaps say. But don't skip ahead and make sure to stay with me because it's not as complicated as you might think. And of course, because I want to help you guys earn more money online, not a single cent will ever leave your pocket. So you don't have to worry about any payments because there will be none at all. To start, as you scroll down on their webpage, you will see an affiliate section which is under the useful links category, and I want you to click on that. This website is one or too many great ways to be an affiliate because of the repeating commission that pays out at an astonishing rate of 40 for the rest of your life. That means that if you refer someone on this website and they themselves paid and used the website for their own use, you will get 40% of the amount of the money that they paid by not doing anything heavy at all. Now, if you're a bit new and have little to no idea about being an affiliate on this platform, it really pays off big bucks. Don't worry about obtaining any traffic and having a lot of people recommend to this website, as I will be showing you how to do that in this video. So let's continue. As you scroll down through the page, you will find additional information about the affiliate program. So feel free to navigate through the whole page and find out everything that you need to find out. As you can see, you'll notice that they have a 365-day monitoring cookie, which means that in a span of 365 days and someone clicks on your affiliate link, you will get paid as easy as 1, 2, 3. What I really like about this program is that you'll be paid twice a month, as shown right here. Since most of you use PayPal and want to get paid via PayPal, it is important that you receive your money through PayPal since this platform makes you earn money passively. Moreover, you can see here that this platform has a churn or turnover rate of 4, which means that your recurring commissions still hold a true value. This further tells us that the people you had referred will continue using this platform, and honestly, if you will ask me, this is the best feature of the website. I know you want me to stop talking and continue with the money-making process, so moving on, I want you to scroll back up and click on the button that says Start Earning Every Month to get your own affiliate link. A while ago, I told you how you can gain traffic to get people to visit this website with your own affiliate link in order for you to make money. So, first, let's look at these 3 different options currently available on their platform. They got basic, professional, and team plans. Annual and monthly payments are also available for 3 different categories. With that said, basic plan is the cheapest of the 3. However, there's something you should know, and that's how the professional plan is the most popular one, as it is just at the right amount with perfect services matching the corresponding rate. Now I want you to consider this. Say you got 10 people and each of them chooses annual professional pricing, and the website will cost you around $7,900. And since you got a rate of 40% of that, you're going to make $3,200 with the 10 people that you brought in. Isn't that amazing? So I think you already got an idea on how much money you can get through this method. Now all you have to do is to persuade people from all around the world to click on the website and eventually purchase one of the SpyFu services. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. Given the little background we had on SpyFu, you now have the knowledge of the ways on how to make money online using this method. And that is through getting as many people as you can to buy the subscription plans through your affiliate link and make money in return. Now that part may be a little bit difficult, but there's actually no need for you to turn this magnificent opportunity down because I'll be right here with you in every step of the way. So let's head on to that difficult part, which is to generate traffic. We begin by visiting google.com and type in weight loss in the search bar, and then you'll be redirected to this page that shows various articles about weight loss. Afterwards, you'll have to find articles about weight loss that give your screen with advertisements. Now, why are we doing this? Well, it is because we're making those advertisers into customers. Just a heads up, look for articles on the 2nd or 3rd page of the results, as these websites are not famous, so their advertising is not as assisted. This is the reason why we will be the one recommending them with the secret method that we have in our hands, as they are an example of advertising firms, and that means that they have a reasonable budget, which further tells us that you can market to them our secret tool. Eventually, once you succeed, you'll receive a whopping 40 of all of your victorious subscription plans as your commission income. To give you an example, let's take a look at this website you want to associate with them by utilizing the information that you've seen via email, or if there's an available contact number, using their contact information. You can reach out to them, and you have to make sure to leave no information behind by saying all the features available with our secret tool. Furthermore, be elaborate and explain to them why they should subscribe to any of the plans, and you can also tell them your suggestion on what's the best for them. Through this, you can convince these websites to purchase SpyFu services because this will all work out for your own benefit. With the more clients you can invite, the more and more money that will be added to your account. If you think I'm done, I still have a lot in store for you today, as this is not the sole method that I will show you today in this video. For the second website, I want you to visit infinitesuggest.com. As a little overview, this website is an alternative strategy for creating and generating traffic online. These are the tools that will definitely help you as they offer you a wide range of keyword recommendations. For example, weight loss, which will then show you a wide array of search results every time I enter a significant amount of advertisements. It will pop up, which will then permit you to advertise our secret tools plans. Again, to those advertisers, you will never lack clients and you will easily find many more clients as you can just repeat the process over and over again. With this premier money-making method, only I am more than sure that this will all work out very well for you. As a little recap, let me remind you the secret website of our secret tool today. It is spyfu.com. So start using spyfu.com as soon as possible so your money-making journey will start right this instant. Now remember, your future is in your hands, so get up and start your day right. Open your computer or whatever device you got and follow the steps that I showed you. As you continue to utilize this method, your earning potential will increase by a long shot. And as the cherry on top, you will perform all these steps with absolutely no hassle at all. And of course, for absolutely 100% free. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.